Tired of cluttered spaces and messy countertops? Struggling to find what you need in the chaos? Say goodbye to the mess and hello to smart, stylish organization. From your vanity to your kitchen and even your closet, these genius products will transform your space effortlessly. Get ready to declutter, save time, and add a touch of elegance to your home, because an organized space means a stress-free life. Meet the Makeup Organizer with Drawers, your new vanity essential. With 2 spacious drawers and a top compartment, it keeps your beauty must-haves neatly stored. From tall skincare bottles to lipsticks and eyeshadows, everything stays in place. Its portable handle makes moving it easy. Plus, the sleek design blends perfectly with any decor, adding both function and style to your space. Struggling with tough stains? The electric spin scrubber is your cleaning superhero. This cordless, portable scrubber is designed for deep cleaning, making it perfect for tiles, tubs, and sinks. With powerful spinning brushes and multiple attachments, it tackles dirt with ease. Say goodbye to exhausting scrubbing and hello to effortless cleaning. Your home has never looked this spotless. Maximize closet space with the Morale Pants Hanger. Its 5-tier design and 360-degree swivel hook allow you to hang jeans, skirts, and scarves neatly in one place. Crafted from durable beechwood, this space-saving hanger prevents wrinkles and saves time while getting dressed. Whether you have a small closet or just love a tidy wardrobe, this hanger is a must-have. Messy kitchen cords? Not anymore. The cord organizer for appliances keeps wires tangle-free, making your kitchen look neat and organized. Just stick it on the back of any appliance and wrap the cord around. No more dangling wires or countertop mess. Perfect for blenders, toasters, and coffee makers, this little tool is a game changer for a clutter-free kitchen. Running out of spice storage? The magnetic stove top shelf is the perfect solution. With 8 strong magnets, it sticks securely to your stove, keeping your most used spices within easy reach. No drilling or assembly required, just place it on top, and enjoy extra storage instantly. A simple yet effective way to keep your kitchen organized and functional. Stay hydrated and organized with the stackable water bottle organizer. Designed to hold up to 9 40-ounce tumblers, this sturdy organizer keeps bottles neatly stacked, preventing them from tipping over. Whether for kitchen cabinets, countertops, or fridge storage, it ensures your favorite bottles are always easy to grab when you need them. Transform your pantry with ClearSpace plastic storage bins. These durable bins feature removable dividers, making them perfect for organizing your fridge, pantry, or cabinets. Store snacks, condiments, or even cleaning supplies effortlessly. With their clear design, you'll always know what's inside, making meal prep and kitchen organization a breeze. Declutter your drawers with the Wowbox 25-piece clear organizer set. Ideal for makeup, jewelry, and office supplies, these stackable bins help keep everything in its place. Their versatile sizes and transparent design make it easy to find what you need at a glance. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to stress-free organization. Keep your password safe with the Clever Fox Password Book. Featuring alphabetical tabs and a compact design, this book helps you store and access all your logins securely. No more forgetting passwords or searching through notes. This simple tool keeps everything organized in one place. A must-have for digital security and peace of mind. Love these organization hacks? Click the link below to shop now and transform your space today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home essentials.